Nissan Altima here. SR edition. Got an exhaust leak. What I normally would have thought it would be this flex line right here. But it's not. It's back further. It's where it turns flat right here. The leak is coming from the top. You can see it kind of broke the band over here already. Right here. If you put a napkin here, you can see it blowing out. See it? So it's rotted on the top of this flat piece. Hits the shield that's coming out through the sides. Look at that. Alright? So, this piece looks like it comes from the manifold. Glues the cat, and it bolts on right there by the muffler. So this got over 200,000 miles on it. So I don't know if that's going to be able to be saved. We might have to change the whole exhaust system. Alright, so I'm going to see if this here is available. Like I said, this is what's leaking. Pretty loud there, people. Alright. Oh, it's hot. Here it is. We'll check it out. Thanks for watching.